Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily raise your hand in a BlueJeans meeting. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in BlueJeans, and then just click here on people. And when you're going to click on people, you're going to see here raise hand. So just click on it. And now when you're going to raise your hand, you're like, okay man, I want to speak now. I want to speak, please. So again, you are in a BlueJeans meeting, click here people and raise hand. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.